All appear convinced that technology enhances instruction and benefits students. Yet, classroom teachers seem to struggle with appropriately utilizing technology tools during instruction. COVID-19 pushed education to rely almost fully on technology tools to teach, give feedback, and communicate. Teachers, along with others, were overjoyed when COVID-19 lockdowns were lifted and face-to-face learning resumed. Despite the fact that many persons are convinced that technology plays an important role in education, many teachers facing Zoom and tech burnout have reduced their use during instruction. This case study is designed to understand the factors that influence teachers in a senior high school to use technology during instruction. If the new technologies utilized during COVID-19 lockdowns continue being used, what causes teachers to use technology tools for instruction? That is the central research question that the study will be designed to understand. These questions arise from the need to understand the factors that contribute to or discourage the use of technology during instruction. Once the central question is answered, stakeholders can make an effort to remove barriers to the use of technology in classrooms. It is my hope that this research can be replicated and completed across different levels of education as we seek to improve learning outcomes across the Bahamas. Case studies can use several data collection tools in an effort to gather information. Cresswell posits that documents, interviews, and observations are most appropriate. This study will use these three data collection methods. Documents to be analyzed and collected include lesson plans. Lesson plans will be analyzed for occurrences when technology is used for instruction. These will be used to formulate focus group and interview questions. Focus groups will be conducted with teachers and students who may be asked how technology is used during instructions. Focus group will also foster discussion and exploration into why technology may have been excluded and how teachers make these choices. Observations of lessons will also occur to understand if planned technology is used. For example, if a teacher planned to use Kahoot, but there was a power outage, this helps to build a complete picture for the case study. As case studies are to be detailed examinations, detailed notes will be taken with recordings done where possible. These will be analyzed using analytical software tool called QDA Miner. QDA Miner is a tool that can be used to retrieve and analyze coded segments, code a document, retrieve codes, and analyze coding frequencies. With many sources of data, this tool will be helpful while coding data and identifying themes. Its features will also be helpful when visually representing data for presentations. Evans discussed some issues that might arise from the use of QDA Miner and similar tools. One that might be particularly applicable is described as an issue that stems from lack of knowledge about the qualitative analysis process. Evans explains that researchers often believe that the tool is completing the analysis when it is merely a facilitator, and the researcher is completing the process. To combat this, it is necessary that one becomes familiar with analysis, understanding the process fully. Evans discusses other concerns such as security, ensuring continued access to data, and sharing access with others. All are to be considered when thinking of effectively and reliably completing research. Efforts may have to be made to ensure data is stored without identifiers and only authorized persons have access to the software. QDA Miner is a helpful tool when engaging in the identification of themes and making connections. In order to fully understand and answer the central research question, data must be collected and fully understood. This will include analysis of data that will be facilitated by the use of QDA Miner. Themes will be analyzed and connections made. This should lead to the identification of factors that contribute to teachers' use of technology during instruction. This research will add to a body of knowledge about technology use in classrooms in the Bahamas and more practically provide data for stakeholders improving access to technology at this school.